Hello, welcome to Cyber Club. Today we are going to go through the ideal tech stack in order to build a website that you're going to be really happy with. So what is a tech stack? I feel like we hear the techie people throw around the term tech stack pretty often. And one of the things that I hear is like, what does that even mean? So a tech stack is going to be the combination of programming languages, frameworks, databases, and software tools that developers are going to stack together to build and run an application. And it sounds a lot more daunting than it is. And we're going to leverage AI to kind of help us piece together the different tools that we're pulling to build out that website. So the first thing that we're going to do in kind of today's action item is going to be to do some account creation and then also some downloads. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to GitHub. I'm going to create an account on GitHub. You can create a free account on GitHub. From there, I'm going to download Node.js. So I'm going to use the latest version right here. Based on the operating system that I have, I'm going to select that here. I have a Windows computer, so I'm going to use Windows. If you have an Apple computer, select Mac OS. From there, I'm going to keep Docker and NPM pretty consistent here. Virtual Studio Code, very similar. Make sure that you're doing the correct download. So you can download for Windows. If you have an Apple computer, go find the Mac OS version. And then the final thing is just using a free ChatGPT account. We will get into Codex, but Codex will be available to us once we have a free ChatGPT account.